Korean irregular source, howtostudykorean.com. Below is a list of vocabularies to be used in this lesson. Nouns.
눈썹 이퀄 아이브라우 교사 이퀄 티처 반 이퀄
Class of students in school.
직장
Location of work.
벽 이퀄 월털 이퀄
Hair, not on head, fur.
머리카락
Hair, on head.
저녁
Dinner, evening.
점심
Lunch, noonish.
옷 이퀄 클로드즈 버브즈 찾다 이퀄
To search for, find.
가르치다
To teach.
일하다
To work.
짓다
To build.
가지다
To own, to possess.
잠그다
To lock.
잊다
To forget.
돕다
To help.
주다
To give.
맞다
To be correct. Adjectives.
쉽다
To be easy.
덥다
To be hot.
그립다
To miss, a thing.
귀엽다
To be cute.
춥다
To be cold.
어렵다
To be difficult.
더럽다
To be dirty.
바쁘다
To be busy.
같다
To be the same.
안전하다
To be safe.
딱딱하다
To be hard. To be rigid.
부드럽다
To be soft.
가능하다
To be possible.
불가능하다
To be impossible. Adverbs.
일찍 이퀄 얼리 오전 이퀄 모닝 오후 이퀄 애프터눈 매일 이퀄 에브리데이 여름 이퀄 서머 가을 이퀄 폴 겨울 이퀄 윈터 봄 이퀄 스프링 이레귤러즈
As with all languages, there are some irregular conjugations that you need to know. Irregulars are applied to certain verbs or adjectives when adding something to the stem of the word. Korean grammar is based on these additions that are added to stems. I mentioned this in lesson 5, but I want to reiterate it here. There are hundreds of additions that you can add to the stem of a verb or adjective. Some of these additions are conjugations and some of them are grammatical principles that have meaning in a sentence. You have learned about some of these additions now. For example, tilde.
는다
To conjugate to the plain form.
아어
To conjugate to the informal low respect form.
아어요
To conjugate to the informal high respect form.
습니다
To conjugate to the formal high respect form.
악었어
To conjugate to the informal low respect form in the past tense.
는
Added to an adjective to describe an upcoming noun in future lessons. You will learn about many more of these additions. For example, some of them are tilde.
는 후에
To mean after.
기 전에
To mean before.
기 때문에
To mean because.
아어서
To mean because.
으면
To mean when.
아어야 하다
To mean one must.
아어서는 안 되다
To mean one should not. Notice that some of these additions start with a vowel, and some of them start with a consonant. Most of the irregulars are applied when adding a vowel to a stem. The
리을
irregular that is introduced at the end of the lesson is the only irregular that applies when adding a consonant to a stem. Let's look at one example before I introduce each irregular one by one. Let's say we want to conjugate the word
어렵다
into the past tense using the informal low respect form. The following would happen.
어렵다 플러스 나었어 어려웠어
Here, you can see that the actual stem of the word changed. This is referred to as the
비읍
irregular because the same phenomenon happens with many, but not all, words whose stem ends in. As I mentioned previously, most of these irregulars are applied when adding a vowel to a stem. There are many additions that start with the vowel, and you gotta start on learning some of those conjugations in lessons 5 and 6. Tilde.
아어 나어요 나었어 나었어요 나었습니다 나었다
As such, this lesson will present the Korean irregulars and how they change as a result of adding these conjugations. In later lessons when you learn about other additions, you can apply what you learned in this lesson to those concepts. For now, let's get started. Full stop. Full stop.
irregular
If the last letter of a word stem ends in,
시옷
for example,
짓다
to build, the
시옷
gets removed when adding a vowel, for example, when conjugating,
짓다
to make build,
집 플러스 지어 나는 집을 지어
I build a house.
집 플러스 었어요. 지었어요. 저는 집을 지었어요.
I built a house. Notice that this only happens when adding a vowel, when conjugating to the plain form. For example, you only add
는다.
to a stem and thus
시옷.
does not get removed. For example,
집을 짓는다.
to build a house. The reason this irregular is done is to avoid changing the sound of a word completely after conjugating it. Pronouncing
짓다.
sounds like jitta. Pronouncing
지어.
sounds like chia. Pronouncing
지서.
sounds like jisu. The third one, which is incorrect, completely changes the sound of the word stem when a vowel is added, from jit to jis, whereas in the second one, the sound of the word stem only changes from jit to ji, which is much smaller of a difference, especially considering the t in the pronunciation of
집.
is not aspirated, which makes it barely audible. I know that is confusing, but if you can't understand why it is done, that's fine. Just know that it must be done. Some other examples of words that follow this irregular are, these words are too difficult for you right now, but I'm just showing you.
낫다.
Better, adjective. You will learn more about this word in lesson 19.
있다.
To continue, verb. Common words that this does not apply to are
웃다.
to laugh, equals
저는 웃었어요.
I laughed.
벗다.
To take off clothes, equals
저는 저의 옷을 벗었어요.
I took off my clothes.
씻다.
To wash, equals
저는 저의 손을 씻었어요.
I washed my hands. Here is a table with the word
짓다.
to build, being conjugated using all the honorific forms you have learned so far. The irregular conjugations are in bold. Notice that this only occurs when,
아어.
or one of its derivatives like,
악었어요.
is added to the verb stem.
짓다.
Build past present future informal o.
지었어 지어 짓겠어.
Informal high.
지었어요 지어요 짓겠어요.
Plain form.
지었다 짓는다 짓겠다.
Formal high.
지었습니다 짓습니다 짓겠습니다.
Note that when a word stem has
시옷.
as the fourth consonant, this irregular does not apply. For example, this does not apply to,
없다.
which you will learn about in the next lesson.
irregular.
If the last letter of a word stem ends in,
디귿.
for example,
걷다.
to walk, the
디귿.
gets changed to.
리을.
When adding a vowel, this is only done with verbs. For example,
걷다.
to walk,
걷 플러스어. 걸어 저는 걸어요.
I walk.
걷 플러스 었어요. 걸었어요 저는 걸었어요.
I walked. I don't mean to confuse you, but I will.
걷다.
Means to walk. When conjugating, by adding a vowel it changes to.
걸어.
Another meaning of
걷다.
is to tuck, but this meaning of
걷다.
does not follow the irregular rule. So, when conjugating, by adding a vowel it simply stays as
걷어. 걸다.
means to hang. When conjugating, by adding a vowel it stays as.
걸어.
Confusing enough? Let's look at all three.
걷다.
To walk,
걷다.
to tuck,
걸다.
to hang past formal,
걸었어요 걷었어요 걸었어요.
present formal,
걸어요 걷어요 걸어요.
future formal.
걷겠어요 걷겠어요 걸겠어요.
Honestly, though, the whole
걷다 걷다 걸다.
thing is probably the most confusing part of this conjugation, and don't worry too much about it. Walk is a word that is used much more frequently than tuck, so it is not something that comes up a lot. The reason this conjugation is done is simply because the sound flows off your tongue better. It is similar to pronouncing the word butter in English. When pronouncing butter we don't say butter, we just say butter, like the
디귿.
irregular. It is simply to avoid saying a hard consonant. This is done to most stems ending in. Common words that this does not apply to, like
걷다.
to tuck, are
받다.
to get receive, equals
돈을 받았어요.
I received money.
묻다. 묻어요.
To bury, equals
저는 저의 강아지를 묻었어요.
I buried my dog.
닫다, 닫아요.
To close equals.
저는 문을 닫았어요.
I closed the door. Here is a table with the word.
걷다,
To walk, being conjugated using all the honorific forms you have learned so far. The irregular conjugations are in bold. Notice that this only occurs when,
아어,
or one of its derivatives like,
악었어요.
is added to the verb stem.
걷다,
Walk past present future informal O.
걸었어 걸어 걷겠어.
Informal high.
걸었어요 걸어요 걷겠어요.
Plain form.
걸었다 걷는다 걷겠다.
Formal high.
걸었습니다 걷습니다 걷겠습니다. irregular,
If the last letter of a word stem ends in
쉽다,
easy, the
뷰,
changes to
우,
when adding a vowel,
우,
then gets added to the next syllable in the conjugated word. This is mostly done with adjectives. Many verbs end with,
뷰,
but this rule is rarely applied to verbs. Some of the few verbs where this rule applies are
줍다,
to pick up,
눕다,
to lie down, for example,
쉽다.
to be easy,
쉬 플러스어, 쉬 플러스 우 플러스어, 쉬워 그것은 쉬워.
that is easy,
어렵다,
to be difficult,
어려 플러스어요, 어려 플러스 우 플러스어요, 어려워요 그것은 어려워요.
that is difficult,
귀엽다, 큐트 귀엽 플러스어요, 귀엽 플러스 우 플러스어요, 귀여워요 그 여자는 귀여워요.
that girl is cute, in the words,
돕다,
to help, and
곧다,
an uncommon way to say beautiful,
뷰,
changes to
오,
instead of,
우,
for example,
돕다,
to help,
도 플러스 왔어요, 도 플러스 오 플러스 왔어요, 도왔어요 저는 저의 어머니를 도왔어요.
I helped my mother. Note the
뷰,
in
돕다,
and
곧다,
changes to
오,
only when,
아어,
or any derivative like,
악었다,
or
아어요,
is added when adding any other vowel,
뷰,
changes to.
우,
As of now, you haven't learned when you would need to add a different vowel. For example, in future lessons you will learn about adding
을,
to verbs when this gets added to.
돕다,
It changes to.
도울,
This isn't immediately pressing to you now, but you should make a mental note of it, because the
뷰,
irregular is found in adjectives. You will be conjugating it not only at the end of a sentence, but also in the middle of a sentence, before a noun. Remember the difference between these two sentences.
사과는 크다.
Apples are big.
나는 큰 사과를 좋아한다.
I like big apples. In the first sentence, big is an adjective that describes the noun, apple, at the end of the sentence. In the second, big describes the apple, as a big apple, and then like acts on the noun. In lesson 4, you learned how to describe a noun by placing an adjective with
는,
before it, adding
는,
to adjectives where the stem ends in causes this irregular to come into play when placing an adjective whose stem ends in before a noun to describe it. You add
니은,
to the newly formed
오,
syllable.
귀여 플러스, 귀여 플러스 오 플러스, 귀여운 저는 귀여운 여자를 좋아해요.
I like cute girls. More examples.
쉽다, 이지 쉬 플러스, 쉬 플러스 오 플러스, 쉬운 저는 쉬운 일을 했어요.
I did easy work.
부드럽다, 소프트 부드러 플러스, 부드러 플러스 오 플러스, 부드러운 나는 부드러운 손이 있어.
I have soft hands.
춥다, 콜드 추 플러스, 추 플러스 오 플러스, 추운 저는 추운 날씨를 좋아해요.
I like cold weather. Note that in most irregulars, the word changes differently if the last vowel in the stem is
오,
or.
아,
However, in the
뷰,
irregular, except for
돋다,
and,
곧다,
all applicable words are changed by adding.
우,
Therefore, even in words where the last vowel in the stem is
아,
x
아름답다,
or
오,
x
새롭다, 우,
is added. For example,
아름답다, beautiful, 아름다 플러스 어요, 아름다 플러스 오 플러스 어요, 아름다워요. 그 여자는 아름다워요.
That girl is beautiful.
새롭다, new 새로 플러스 어요, 새로 플러스 오 플러스 어요, 새로워요. 그 학교는 새로워요.
That school is new.
그것은 새로운 학교예요.
That thing is a new school, probably the most confusing of all irregulars, mainly because it seems strange that
beaut,
can change too.
오,
The reason this happens is similar to the
시옷,
irregular, as you know already, when pronouncing a syllable with the last letter. You don't really pronounce the B sound. If you don't know what I mean, check out the pronunciation guide. But if you add a vowel after,
beaut,
the sound of B would be pronounced. The purpose of the irregular is to eliminate the B sound which isn't actually in the word. Confusing? Yes, I know, but again, you don't really need to care about why it is done. This is done to some words ending in some common words in which this does not apply.
좁다.
Narrow equals
이 방은 좁아요.
this room is narrow.
넓다.
Wide equals
이 방은 넓어요.
this room is wide. Korean people often describe a room place being big by saying it is wide.
잡다.
To catch grab equals
저는 공을 잡았어요.
I caught the ball. Here is a table with the word
춥다.
cold being conjugated using all the honorific forms you have learned so far. The irregular conjugations are in bold. Notice that this only occurs when
아어.
or one of its derivatives like
악었어요.
is added to the verb stem.
춥다.
Cold past present future informal o.
추웠어 추워 춥겠어.
Informal high.
추웠어요 추워요 춥겠어요.
Plain form.
추웠다 춥다 춥겠다.
Formal high.
추웠습니다 춥습니다 춥겠습니다.
Adjective form.
추운 날씨.
Cold weather.
아이 irregular.
If the final vowel in a stem is,
으.
for example,
잠그다.
to lock, when adding,
아어.
you cannot determine whether you need to add
어.
or
아.
to the stem by looking at.
아이.
Instead, you must look at the vowel in the second last syllable. For example, in the word,
잠그다.
the second last syllable in the stem is,
잠.
and the vowel here is.
아.
Therefore, as usual, we add
아.
to.
잠그.
For example,
잠그다 플러스 나어 잠그아.
in cases like this where a word ends in,
아이.
that is, there is no final consonant after,
아이.
and is followed by,
아어.
or any of its derivatives, the
아어. 아이.
is eliminated and the addition of
아어.
merges to the stem. For example,
잠그다.
to lock the last vowel in the stem is,
아이.
the vowel in the second last syllable is,
아.
so we add,
아.
for example,
잠그 플러스 아.
because there is no final consonant after,
아이. 가.
replaces.
아이. 잠그 플러스 아. 잠가.
This would be the same in the past tense as well. For example,
잠그 플러스 했어요. 잠갔어요. 저는 문을 잠갔어요.
I locked the door. Let's look at another example.
바쁘다.
To be busy, the last vowel in stem is,
아이.
the vowel in the second last syllable is,
아.
so we add.
아.
For example,
바쁘 플러스 아.
because there is no final consonant after,
아이. 가.
replaces.
아이. 바쁘 플러스 아요. 바빠요. 저는 바빠요.
I am busy. Let's look at another example.
예쁘다 equal pretty.
The last vowel in the stem is,
아이.
the vowel in the second last syllable is not,
아.
or,
오.
so we add.
어.
For example,
예쁘 플러스 어.
because there is no final consonant after,
아이. 뭐.
replaces.
아이. 예쁘 플러스 어요. 예뻐 그 여자는 예뻐요.
That girl is pretty. Some stems only have one syllable. For example, the stem of
크다.
is just.
그.
In this case, we know that we need to use the
으.
irregular but there is no previous syllable to draw on to determine what should be added to the stem. In these cases, is added to the stem. For example,
크다,
to be big, the last vowel in the stem is is the only syllable in the stem, so we add For example,
크 플러스
because there is no final consonant after, replaces.
크 플러스 커요. 그 집은 커요.
That house is big. This same rule applies when adding to words where not only is the last vowel in the stem, but all the vowels in the stem are. For example, in the word
슬프다,
not only does the stem end in, but the vowel in the second last syllable is also, in this case as well, should merge to the stem. For example,
슬프다,
to be sad, the last vowel in the stem is. The second last vowel in the stem is also. So we add. For example,
슬프 플러스
because there is no final consonant after, replaces.
슬프 플러스 슬퍼요. 저는 아주 슬퍼요.
I am very sad. Sometimes the last vowel of a stem is, but the stem ends in a consonant. In these cases, all of the above rules still apply, but the addition of does not merge to the stem, because it is blocked by the consonant. For example,
긋다,
to scratch, the last vowel in the stem is the only syllable in the stem, so we add. For example,
긋 플러스
because there is a final consonant after, does not merge to the stem.
긋 플러스 긁어요. 저는 머리를 긁었어요.
I scratched my head. Another example where we find a single syllable word with as the only vowel is
듣다,
to hear.
듣다,
To hear, last vowel in stem is. There is no syllable preceding.
듣,
So we must add.
듣,
Ends in a consonant, so does not get added directly to the syllable.
듣 플러스 듣었어요.
But wait, don't forget the
디귿,
irregular. In this example, both and
디귿,
irregulars are used.
듣 플러스 들었다. 저는 쥐를 들었어요.
I heard a mouse. An irregular to this already irregular rule is
만들다,
to make, even though the second last syllable in the stem has the vowel is added instead of. For example,
만들다 플러스 만들어요.
here is a table with the word
잠그다,
to lock, which is a verb, being conjugated using all the honorific forms you have learned so far. The irregular conjugations are in bold. Notice that this only occurs when or one of its derivatives like
악었어요.
is added to the verb stem.
잠그다,
Lock, past, present, future, informal o.
잠갔어. 잠그겠어.
Informal high.
잠갔어요. 잠그겠어요.
Plain form.
잠갔다. 잠근다. 잠그겠다.
Formal high.
잠갔습니다. 잠그겠습니다.
And here is a table with the word
예쁘다,
pretty, which is an adjective, being conjugated using all the honorific forms you have learned so far. The irregular conjugations are in bold. Notice that this only occurs when or one of its derivatives like
악었어요.
is added to the verb stem.
예쁘다,
Pretty, past, present, future, informal o.
예뻤어. 예쁘겠어.
Informal high.
예뻤어요. 예쁘겠어요.
Plain form.
예뻤다. 예쁘겠다.
Formal high.
예뻤습니다. 예쁘겠습니다.
Finally, here is a table with the word
만들다,
to make, which is a verb, being conjugated using all the honorific forms you have learned so far.
만들다,
To make, past, present, future, informal o.
만들었어. 만들겠어.
Informal high.
만들었어요. 만들겠어요.
Plain form.
만들었다. 만들겠다.
Formal high.
만들었습니다. 만들겠습니다.
You will learn how
만든다,
and
만듭니다.
are formed later in the lesson when you learn about the
리을,
irregular.
르 이레귤러,
If the final syllable in a stem is,
르 마르다,
it is conjugated differently when adding.
아어,
This irregular only applies when adding,
아어,
or any of its derivatives, to a stem and not when adding any other grammatical principles that starts with the vowel or consonant. Up until now, you haven't learned about any of these other grammatical principles that can start with anything other than.
아어,
So don't worry about this distinction too much when adding.
아어,
To these words, an additional
리을,
is created and placed in the syllable preceding.
르,
As the last consonant, the
르,
also gets changed to either
러,
or,
라,
depending on if you are adding
어,
or.
아,
This is done to both verbs and adjectives. The only exception is
따르다,
to follow to pour. This is difficult to explain and much easier to show with examples.
다르다, 디프런트 다르 플러스아요, 다 플러스를 플러스라요, 달라요 그것은 달라요.
That thing is different.
빠르다,
To be fast.
빠르 플러스아요, 빠 플러스를 플러스라요, 빨라요 그 남자는 빨라요.
That man is fast.
부르다,
To call somebody's name.
부를 플러스었어요, 부 플러스를 플러스렀어요, 불렀어요 저는 저의 누나를 불렀어요.
I called my sister. Here is a table with the word
고르다,
to choose, which is a verb, being conjugated using all the honorific forms you have learned so far. The irregular conjugations are in bold. Notice that this only occurs when,
아어,
or one of its derivatives like,
악었어요.
is added to the verb stem.
고르다,
Choose past, present, future, informal o.
골랐어 골라 고르겠어.
Informal high.
골랐어요 골라요 고르겠어요.
Plain form.
골랐다 고른다 고르겠다.
Formal high.
골랐습니다 고릅니다 고르겠습니다.
And here is a table with the word
마르다,
thin, which is an adjective, being conjugated using all the honorific forms you have learned so far. The irregular conjugations are in bold. Notice that this only occurs when,
아어,
or one of its derivatives like,
악었어요.
is added to the verb stem.
마르다,
Thin, past, present, future, informal o.
말랐어 말라 마르겠어.
Informal high.
말랐어요 말라요 마르겠어요.
Plain form.
말랐다 마르다 마르겠다.
Formal high.
말랐습니다 마릅니다 마르겠습니다.
Adjective form.
마른 여자,
Thin girl.
을 irregular.
Okay, last one, I promise. As you know, there are times when you must choose between two things to add to a stem. For example, tilde
아어,
means you must choose between adding,
아,
or
어는,
means you must choose between adding,
니은,
or
은, 습,
means you must choose between adding,
비읍,
or
습을,
means you must choose between adding,
리을,
or.
을,
As you know, you choose the correct addition based on the stem, if the final letter of a stem is,
리을,
and you add any of the following, tilde.
는, 습을,
The first option
을,
should be used. In addition, the
리을,
is removed from the stem and the
을,
is added directly to the stem. Let's look at each one individually.
리을,
Irregular, adding.
는,
To words, you have learned about adding.
는,
To adjective stems when describing nouns. Usually, you add
니은,
directly to the stem of an adjective ending in a vowel, and
은,
to the stem of an adjective ending in a consonant. For example,
크다, 큰 남자 작다, 작은 남자,
when adding
는,
to a stem which ends in
을,
the
리을,
is removed and
니은,
is added to the stem.
길다, 롱 길 플러스, 긴 저는 긴 거리를 건넜어요.
I crossed the long street.
멀다,
Far away.
멀 플러스, 먼 저는 먼 병원에 갔어요.
I went to a faraway hospital. A hospital that is far away. There will be times when you have to add
는,
to verb stems as well, but you haven't learned about this yet. I introduce this concept in lesson 26, and then talk about the irregular being applied in lesson 28. I don't want you to think about this too much until those lessons, but just so you know, the concept is the same as adding
는,
to an adjective. For example,
열다,
to open.
열 플러스는 이퀄 연,
Although you haven't learned about adding
는,
to stems, you have learned about adding
는다,
to verb stems. Normally, you add
다,
to the stem of a verb ending in a vowel, and
는다.
to the stem of a verb ending in a consonant. For example,
나는 집에 간다.
I go home.
나는 밥을 먹는다.
I eat rice. But when adding
는다,
to a verb stem that ends in
을,
you must remove
리을,
and add
다.
to the verb stem.
나는 문을 연다.
I open the door.
나는 케이크를 만든다.
I make a cake.
리을,
Irregular, adding
흡습,
to words. You have also learned about adding
흡습니다.
to verb and adjective stems when conjugating in the formal high respect form. Normally, you add
입니다.
to the stem of a word ending in a vowel, and
습니다.
to the stem of a word ending in a consonant. For example, verbs.
저는 집에 갑니다.
I go home.
저는 밥을 먹습니다.
I eat rice. Adjectives.
그 여자는 예쁩니다.
That girl is pretty.
이 방은 넓습니다.
This room is big wide. But when adding
입니다.
to the stem of a word that ends in
을,
you must remove
리을,
and add
비읍.
directly to the stem. For example, verbs.
저는 문을 엽니다.
I open the door.
저는 케이크를 만듭니다.
I make a cake. Adjectives.
그 병원은 멉니다.
That hospital is far.
그 여자의 머리카락은 깁니다.
That girl's hair is long.
머리,
Can mean head or hair depending on the context. If you want to specifically mention your hair, you can say
머리카락,
always means the hair on one's head,
머리,
or
머리카락.
does not refer to the hair on an animal, or the body hair of a human. This hair is referred to as
털,
and extends to most of the hair that can be found on animals, fur, the wool on a sheep, etc. Here is a table with the word
열다,
to open, which is a verb, being conjugated using all the honorific forms you have learned so far. The irregular conjugations are in bold. Notice that this only occurs when
니은,
or
비읍.
is added to the verb stem.
열다,
Open past present future informal o.
열었어 열어 열겠어.
Informal high.
열었어요 열어요 열겠어요.
Plain form.
열었다 연다 열겠다.
Formal high.
열었습니다 엽니다 열겠습니다.
And here is a table with the word
길다,
long, which is an adjective, being conjugated using all the honorific forms you have learned so far. Notice that this only occurs when
니은,
or
비읍.
is added to the verb stem. It would happen when
니은,
is added, but you don't add
는,
to an adjective when you conjugate it like this. There are times, however, when this would happen, but you haven't even gotten close to learning about them yet. For example, in lesson 76, we talk about the addition of
는데,
to clauses. This would make
길다,
turn into.
긴데.
Please don't even think about looking ahead until lesson 76 until you've finished with this lesson, and the 69 lessons in between.
길다,
Long past present future informal o.
길었어 길어 길겠어.
Informal high.
길었어요 길어요 길겠어요.
Plain form.
길었다 길다 길겠다.
Formal high.
길었습니다 깁니다 길겠습니다.
Adjective form.
긴 거리,
Long road. I don't want to confuse you too much more because I am sure you are already really confused. Just the amount of content on this page alone is enough to make somebody cry. That being said, I think it is a very good exercise to try to compare how the words
듣다,
and
들다,
differ in their conjugations. Don't worry about the meaning of
들다.
yet. It is a very complex word that has many meanings, but just assume it is a verb in this case. For now, let's just focus on how they are conjugated. Notice that when conjugating,
듣다,
you need to consider the following irregular patterns.
디귿,
Irregular, because it ends in.
따이,
Irregular, because the final vowel is.
으,
The following table shows how
듣다,
should be conjugated across the honorifics and tenses you have learned so far.
듣다,
To hear past, present, future, informal O.
들었어, 들어, 듣겠어.
Informal high.
들었어요, 들어요, 듣겠어요.
Plain form.
들었다, 듣는다, 듣겠다.
Formal high.
들었습니다, 듣습니다, 듣겠습니다.
Notice when conjugating,
들다,
you need to consider the following irregular patterns.
리을,
Irregular, because it ends in.
라이,
Irregular, because the final vowel is.
으,
The following table shows how
들다,
should be conjugated across the honorifics and tenses you have learned so far.
들다.
Past, present, future, informal O.
들었어, 들어, 들겠어.
Informal high.
들었어요, 들어요, 들겠어요.
Plain form.
들었다, 든다, 들겠다.
Formal high.
들었습니다, 듭니다, 들겠습니다.
I feel that comparing these two is a very good exercise because you can't see that sometimes, because of the irregular conjugations,
듣다,
might look exactly like.
들다.
For example, in all of the past tense conjugations, there is no way to distinguish between the two based on sound, and the only way to distinguish them is by context in a sentence. There is no easy way around memorizing stuff like this. The only words of encouragement I can give you is that, as you become more and more familiar with the language, and as you expose yourself to it more and more, it does become second nature. I know you can't believe that now, but it does.
리을,
Irregular, adding
을,
to words. You have yet to learn any situation where you would need to add
을,
to a stem, so don't worry about this too much now. Right now, I will show you the examples, but you won't be able to understand them. Just try to see how the irregular works within these examples, and I will represent these again when you learn how to deal with adding.
을,
Normally, just like with other similar additions, you would add
리을,
to the stem of a word ending in a vowel, and
을.
to the stem of a word ending in a consonant. For example,
작다 플러스 을, 작을, 크다 플러스 을, 클.
however, when you add
을,
to a stem of a word that ends in
을,
the,
리을,
is dropped and
리을.
is attached directly to the stem. In effect, you removed something and replace it with exactly the same thing. For example,
갈다 플러스 을, 갈, 빨다 플러스 을, 빨.
again, that is just for your reference. I will teach you more about this irregular when I teach you about the specific grammar within it in Lesson 9. You will also see this irregular applied again in Lesson 28. Full stop.
리을,
Irregular, adding anything that starts with a solid
니은,
or. As of now, you have not yet learned about adding anything that starts with a solid
니은,
or
시옷.
to a stem, so don't worry about this too much now. What I mean by solid is that any addition where you add something that starts with, but there is no choice of having to add
니은,
or something else. For example, even though the plain form conjugation
는다,
starts with, there is a choice of having to add or.
는,
This irregular only applies to grammar additions that start with, and there is no alternate addition. For example, as you will learn later, a grammatical addition to form a question is.
니,
There is no alternate addition to this. For example, it is not.
니.
I will show you the examples of how this works, but you won't be able to understand them. Just try to see how the irregular works within these examples, and I will represent these again when you learn how to deal with adding a solid.
니은,
And when you add a solid
니은,
or
시옷.
to a stem of a word that ends in,
을,
you must drop the
리을,
from the stem and add the solid
니은,
or
시옷.
after the stem. For example,
열다 플러스 물결나요. 연하요 열다 플러스니. 연이 열다 플러스. 는 연은 열다. 플러스냐 여냐. 열다 플러스 세요 여세요.
again, that is just for your reference. I will teach you more about those irregulars when I teach you about the specific grammar within them. Specifically, you will learn about adding
니.
and
나.
to stems in lesson 21. You will learn about
는.
in lessons 26, 27 and 28, and will learn about
세요.
in lesson 40. As of now, you have not yet learned about adding
는.
or
시옷.
to a stem, so don't worry about this too much now. I will show you the examples, but you won't be able to understand them. Just try to see how the irregular works within these examples, and I will represent these again when you learn how to deal with adding
는.
and. Make sure that you realize that you have not learned any grammatical principle where
는.
is added. The addition of
는.
is not the diary form conjugation that you learned in lesson 5. That conjugation is
는다.
where, depending on the stem of the verb, you might need add
다.
or.
는다.
The
는.
addition is not the same, and will be talked about in lessons 26, 27 and 28, but try not to worry about it now. Just to make my point clear, the diary form present tense conjugation of
열다.
is,
연다.
based on the information earlier, it is not
여는다.
adding
는.
to adjectives. I mentioned this in some of the sections above, but I would like to organize it all here. In lesson 4, you learned how to add
는.
to adjectives to describe an upcoming noun. Some irregulars will come into play when adding, doing this because of the possibility of adding a vowel to a stem. Let's look at the word.
어렵다.
As an example,
어렵다.
has a consonant as its final letter, which means that
은.
must be added instead of. Therefore, we end up with.
어렵은.
Because of this, we now have the final consonant followed by a vowel, which causes the
기읍.
irregular to be applied. The correct conjugation of
어렵다 플러스는.
is therefore.
어려운.
Below is a table that shows how irregular adjectives can change because of adding.
는.
Irregular example word. Does this apply? Application.
시옷.
Irregular.
낫다.
Better. Yes.
나은.
Nay. Regular. Regular.
빠르다.
Fast. No.
빠른을.
Irregular.
길다.
Long. Yes.
긴.
That's it. Wow, that is a lot of irregulars. Note that these irregulars do not apply to word stems ending with a four-letter syllable. For example, the
시옷.
irregular does not apply to,
없다.
which you will learn about in the next lesson. Everybody is confused when they learn these irregulars. Eventually you will reach a point where all of these will come natural to you. Whenever you learn a new word where the stem ends in,
드라이.
just make a mental note about how you should conjugate that word in the future. I don't even have to think about these irregulars anymore because they just flow out naturally. If you can't memorize them all right now, just try to understand them, which will allow you to recognize them later. Eventually, you will memorize them simply from using and hearing them so much. For more info, please visit howtostudykorean.com.